Lesson 3, Part 1C, English Person and Verbs. There is a grammatical term called person, and it is used to differentiate between the person speaking, first person, the person being spoken to, second person, and someone else, third person. This is a kind of shorthand that can be quite handy when working in languages. Consider the following sentence. I gave you a book about him. In this sentence, I is the one speaking. It's in first person. You is the person being spoken to. It's in second person. Him is someone else. It's in the third person. Objects are also always in third person, unless you're talking to an object for some strange reason. So book is also third person. Another part of speech is a verb. A verb is a word that shows action. It is the focal point of the sentence. Consider the following sentences. I gave you a book. He kicked a ball. She went. The plane flew through the air. All of the italicized words are verbs. In English, almost all of our verbs have two forms, one for the third person singular and another for all other persons and numbers. First person, I run in the singular and we run in the plural. Second person, you run in the singular and you run in the plural. Third person, he runs and they run. We have one verb that has more than two forms, the verb to be. I am, we are, you are, you are, he is, they are. So we have am and are and is. Other languages will often have different forms for all 6 of these positions. First person singular, second person singular, third person singular, first person plural, second person plural, and third person plural. The changing of a verb to be in the proper form is called conjugating. I'm going to say that again. The changing of a verb to be in the proper form is called conjugating. Summary. Person is a concept attached to verbs that is used to differentiate between the person speaking, first person, the person being spoken to, second person, and someone else, third person. A verb is a word that shows action. Conjugating is the changing of a verb to be in the proper form for the sentence. Minute details. In English, I, me, we, and us are first person. You is second person. He, she, it, they, him, her, and them are third person. In Greek, verbs change based on the person and number, as well as several other things. That means that in every tense, there are 6 forms for each verb.